What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm gonna give you 5 tips for your toe side turn. Now, I've been getting so many questions of like, I struggle getting onto my toe side. I'm scared to ride on my toe side. I go too fast when I'm on my toe side edge. So let's go over some tips that will help you be able to get from your heels to your toes, and then when you're on your toes, ride your toes a lot better. All right, tip number 1 is gonna be the toe side falling leaf, or just kind of like scraping down the mount on your toe side. You need to be comfortable with your toe side. The only way you're gonna kind of get comfortable and understand that balance point to where you're not catching your edges all the time is kind of toe sliding down the mountain. Now, you do this with your heel side. Think about when you learned how to heel side turn and how you fall a leaf down the mountain on your heels. We're doing the same thing, but our back is going down the mountain. It's a little weird, a little different, but trust me, that is gonna be a game changer for you. So the next tip is when we're going from our heel side to our toe side edge, we need to do what's called knee steering. We're gonna take that front knee and we're gonna start closing it, almost like if we're stepping on like a pop rock or just stepping on anything with smushing it into the ground. Kind of take your knee, bring it forward, and then just start smushing it into the ground. What that's gonna do is it's gonna start swinging your back foot around and allowing you to go from that heel side to the toe side. Now, tip number 3 is in that same area. What you wanna do is you wanna take your lead hand and you're gonna start bringing it forward too. We don't wanna try to do the toe side turn and leave our shoulder open. We need that shoulder to be closed. So we're gonna step on the bug, tip number 2. Tip number 3, we're gonna point with our hand down. Tip number 4 is we're gonna be looking up the mountain. So we're on our heel side edge, we start crushing the bug, we bring our hand up, and then we need to take our head and start looking upwards the mountain to see, 1, people coming down, but 2, if we leave our head this way and we're trying to toe side turn, we're fighting our body right now. So you need to use your head as well. All 3 points of contact, your knee, your shoulder, your head, all need to be in one motion. Now, there's one more component to the toe side turn, or going from your heels to your toe side, which is a little scary. And that's the middle spot of the turn, which essentially you're unweighting the snowboard. So when you're on your heel side, you got pressure in your heels. Then when you go to your toe side, you need to unweight the snowboard. Your board's gonna be going flat then, and then you re-put the weight in with crushing, you know, let's say crushing the bug or crushing the pop rock, whatever you wanna call it. So there's that slight second of unweighting your snowboard, and you can kind of see how you're in your heel side turn, unweight, toe side turn. A big reason why you want to unweight the turn is because if you're holding on to that edge and then you just try to throw it with your upper body, it opens the door to catch an edge. Unweighting your snowboard for a quick second will allow you to disconnect one edge to then reconnect into the other edge. You don't want to be holding an edge, reaching for the other edge. It's just gonna open up a whole mess of worms you don't want to get into. Now, obviously, all of this starts with practice. You got to get out there, you got to start at one spot. Start with the slide, start with the knee crushing, start with the shoulder, you know what I'm saying? Like, start working on these things, and eventually your toe side turns are going to start coming together. That transition from heel to toe is going to start looking really good, and you're going to have a lot more confidence in the turn when you know your whole body's in the right position. You're in a stacked upright position. We're not bending at our waist. So those are 5 almost secret tips for turning your snowboard from heel side to toe side. I hope this helped you. What else do you guys need help with snowboarding, and what else did I miss? Comment down below. What did I miss? But also, what other thing with snowboarding do you want me to teach? I've been snowboarding for 11 years, so I have a ton of information that I can share with you guys. So comment that down below. Also, if this video helped you, smash the like button. The almighty YouTube algorithm will bless me if you guys smash like. It'll also share the video with more people, so more people will learn how to toe side turn, which makes snowboarding more awesome if more people are doing it. And then if you're new to the channel, of course, subscribe to the channel. My goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible with videos like these. If you do want to support the channel though, and you like these videos, or you just want compliments on the mountain, snag an Evolution sticker. They're all linked in the description, as well as hoodies, t-shirts, and long sleeves. And if you do snag any of the merch, tag me on my Instagram, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the daily vlogs that I post. And with all that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.